Hello, my name is Norm Kramer. I'm an application engineer for Siemens Industry. Today we would like to show you how to install the model MAG 8000 battery-powered flow meter. The MAG 8000 would be delivered in either a wooden crate or a cardboard carton. The MAG 8000 is securely packed for transportation. After opening the carton, remove the styrofoam spacer which holds the flow meter securely in the box. Inside you will find a documentation package containing the installation manual and quick start guide. The MAG 8000 is shipped fully assembled and ready for installation into your piping. In the MAG 8000 documentation package, you will find a quick start guide, CD containing the operating instructions, and also the calibration sheet for the MAG 8000 meter. The MAG 8000 is delivered fully assembled and ready for immediate installation. The electronic register is factory pre-programmed and has a single capacitive touch key for menu navigation. The meter may also have the optional communication cable for AMR or AMI radio transmission. To connect the MAG 8000 to the piping, the installer must supply hardware and gaskets. If the piping is plastic or non-conductive, optional grounding rings will also be required. To install the MAG 8000 in unlined metal pipes, first, place a gasket against the flange of the piping. Orient the MAG 8000 so that the flow through the pipe is in the same direction as the arrow located underneath the electronic register. Loosely install the hardware until all bolts are in place. When all bolts have been installed, cross-tighten using the torque values found in either the quick start or operating instructions. Finally, the attached grounding strap must be bonded to a bare metal surface on the adjacent piping on both sides of the flow meter. On plastic or lined piping, grounding rings are required. Insert the grounding ring between the flange gasket and flange of the flow meter. Installation tip: angle the ground ring to allow screwdriver access to the cover mounting screws. Tighten all bolts in a cross pattern according to the torque values given in the quick start guide. Lastly, connect the grounding straps to the grounding ring using a bolt and nut. Tighten all connections securely to ensure good electrical contact. If the MAG 8000 has the optional encoder card, you may now connect that to your radio endpoint. Installation of the MAG 8000 is now complete. The meter is ready to measure flow.